Primary 1 Phonics, Unit 2, Sound 2, Keywords, 關鍵詞，字母 letter， 聲音 sound， 元音 vowel 音節 syllable， 英文拼音 English phonics. Here is a monkey, and it is playing an instrument. So it is a musical monkey. And that is the chant. Musical monkey, Musical monkey, Musical monkey, is the sound of M. The letter M makes the sound M. Here are some words that start with M and the sound M. Map, app, map. Mouse, moon, mango, melon, mushroom. Blending sounds. B makes a sound B. A makes a sound A. M makes a sound M. And now let's blend them together. A, M, am. B, am, B, am, bam. This is not a word, but you can find it in the word bamboo. And this plant is bamboo. It is what pandas like to eat. R makes the sound R. A makes the sound A. And M makes the sound M. Now we will blend them together. A, am, am, ram. And ram is a word. It is the name for a boy sheep. And here is a ram. M makes the sound M. A makes the sound A. And T makes the sound T. Let's blend them together. A, T. At. At. Mat. Mat is a word. This here is a mat. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, share, and watch more videos on this channel. Bye bye!